In the ever-evolving world of forestry, transportation is key. Today, we're showcasing the heavy-duty machines built for the toughest tasks. Let's get into it on Titan Tech. Now this is the epitome of grit and precision. Look at these logging trucks maneuvering those unforgiving cliffs. It's like watching a ballet, but for giants. These machines are the backbone of the timber industry, tackling terrain that would make most vehicles surrender on sight. With their robust chassis, high-torque engines, and advanced suspension systems, they handle these roads like a pro surfer riding a massive wave. Drivers in San Dimas deserve applause. They are not just operating trucks, they're mastering the art of controlled chaos. Oh man, I can't believe it. They should have double-checked that rope. One good bump and now it's like the logs decided to stage a jailbreak. This is what the Kamaz 6x6 with a turbocharged Yamz 238 engine was built for, conquering the nastiest winter forest roads you can throw at it. Picture this: deep mud, slick ice patches, and a full load of timber weighing it down like a stubborn ox. Yet, this beast just keeps charging ahead, clawing through the sludge with the precision of a mountain goat on steroids. The Kraz 260 is an off-road titan, no doubt about that. Its three-axle design paired with incredible cross-country capability makes it a top choice for forestry work. Equipped with a powerful 15-liter V8 engine, this beast is like a mountain lion, strong, agile, and built for tough terrains. But even the best machinery has its limits, and on this steep, muddy slope, it seems Mother Nature had the upper hand. It's a reminder that even the mightiest trucks need proper conditions to shine. Still, the Kraz 260's sheer durability and towing power make it a giant in its class. Ah, the TDT 55. It's like the workhorse of the woods that forgot how to quit. Throw mud, logs, hills, and whatever Mother Nature's got, and this thing just shrugs it off like it's on a Sunday stroll. That automatic winch is a lifesaver too, like having an extra set of hands that never gets tired. Sure, it might look like a boxy metal rhino, but trust me, it's got the heart of a lion.
Много просто ездить можно. О, сразу.
You know, the Isuzu TW is like that one old guy at the gym who still lifts more than the youngsters. That triple axle all-wheel drive setup, it laughs at switchbacks. Sure, it might creak and groan a little, but it gets the job done every single time. Honestly, if it were a person, you'd probably buy it a beer just for the stories it could tell. The AM300S isn't just a harvester head, it's a masterpiece of engineering. With a weight of only 220 kilograms, it's like the featherweight champion of the forestry world, packing a serious punch with its 300 millimeter cutting capacity. It's built for precision and speed, gliding through the work with a hydraulic flow that's easy on your machine. If you want efficiency and reliability in one sleek package, this is it. The Moto Grua? It's like the superhero of the logging world. Strong, reliable, and always ready to save the day. Whether it's dragging timber or loading it up, these machines tackle the job like a champ. With one or two reels, it's like giving your operation an extra set of hands. Only these hands don't get tired. It's the kind of tool that makes you wonder why you didn't have it years ago. The Pigeon fleet operating in Rio Verde, Chihuahua is nothing short of impressive. These trucks, affectionately nicknamed Pigeons, seem to glide over rugged terrain like they own it. Designed for timber hauling, their versatility and durability make them a key player in forestry operations. Whether it's steep inclines or muddy trails, these workhorses perform reliably and efficiently. Well, look at the VMV Forest Boxer in action. This machine is a beast, no joke. After the superstructure and engine replacement, it's like this machine got a new lease on life. It's now running smoother than a well-oiled chainsaw cutting through butter. With its hydraulic system working seamlessly and automatic functions that make operating this machine a breeze, the VMV Forest Boxer is more than just a log mover. It's a full-on lumberjack at heart.
Oh wow. Forestry farm is competent. Embryonic.
Wow, that's impressive. I'll give you that. Dragging those huge logs with a Torpedo 9006, now that's a sight to behold. It's got the power to handle some serious timber, no question about it. When you see the LH30 in action, it's clear. This isn't just about lifting logs. It's about lifting the entire operation to a higher standard. The precision of its movements, coupled with the impressive reach, shows just how far Liebherr has gone in designing a machine that offers both power and control. Not to mention it's built to last, ensuring that every log unloaded today can be part of a long-term investment in a smooth-running operation. The Iveco timber truck is the epitome of rugged engineering, especially when it's out there in the field during winter timber removal. This beast isn't fazed by the cold, snow, or ice. It thrives in those tough winter conditions. Designed specifically for the forestry industry, it brings power, reliability, and versatility to the job, even when hauling timber across slippery, snow-packed terrains. Wow, did you see that? This driver just pulled off an incredible maneuver. It's amazing how they managed to keep that truck under control. I wonder how much practice it takes to develop that kind of skill. It makes you appreciate the talent and precision required to operate these massive machines. This forwarder is a real force to be reckoned with, especially when you're pulling long timber like 11.80 meters cutouts. The John Deere 1910G has the muscle, the technology, and the engineering to handle loads of this size, making it a top choice for professional forestry operations. It's like the Swiss Army knife of the logging world. Versatile, powerful, and built to handle just about anything you throw at it. Impressive coordination at Miropara Logging Terminal. Watching those massive logs get loaded onto trains with such precision is mesmerizing. This is where heavy machinery meets industrial efficiency, truly a vital link in New Zealand's timber export chain, strong chains. Recovery at its finest. This wasn't just a typical truck recovery. The weight of the log trailer had the Kenworth completely tipped, making it a real challenge. But they handled it like pros, getting that highway cleared up and running again in no time. I wouldn't want to be stuck in the forest without the BMC PRO 935. This machine's ability to handle tricky, muddy, or hilly forest roads is a game changer. Whether it's hauling logs or clearing trails, it's a reliable workhorse that gets the job done with ease. When the road turns into a swamp, the Ural trucks just keep going. These beasts are masters of off-road timber haulage. The way they maneuver through deep mud without missing a beat is impressive, to say the least. The Mercedes truck hauling timber might be facing a steep hill, but it's got a powerful team of partners pulling it through. That's the beauty of Göktep's system. When one vehicle hits a snag, there's always backup. Think of it like a relay race where each runner hands off the baton smoothly, ensuring the whole operation moves forward without missing a beat. Imagine a time when the sound of a train whistle was the lifeline for logging towns, echoing through the misty forests as it hauled out timber. Those were the final days of standard gauge logging operations in the Northwest, a world where every turn of the wheel was a battle against nature. As the last of these trains made their final journeys, it felt like the end of an era. The modern, fast-paced logging machines were coming in, and the rails were left behind. But those last trips by rail are remembered fondly, a symbol of a time when the railroad was the only way to get timber out of the wild. Sometimes, luck is the only thing that stands between life and death. Wow, talk about pushing a vehicle to its limits. Watching that Kraz whip carrier cross the river in winter is mind-blowing. The ice, the snow, and the current, they didn't stand a chance against this beast. If you've ever worked with wood, you know that versatility is key. And the hour timber lift with a 5-meter reach is the embodiment of that. This crane isn't just about lifting logs, it's a multifunctional powerhouse. Whether you need to dig, skid, load, or even create V-shaped ditches on freight roads, the hour timber lift can handle it all. Equipped with a Lindner Geo 73 and a 6-ton tipper, it's a robust combination that can tackle any task with precision. The ability to attach tines for branch loading or use it for skidding adds even more flexibility. Oh, wow! Seeing those tightly packed slabs come out wet makes me appreciate the drying process even more. When handling logs, you need a tool that's both powerful and easy to use. The Oxenkopf OX 53 timber tongs give you exactly that. With their strong grip and high-quality build, they are perfect for lifting and transporting timber without worrying about slippage. The Svetruck TMF-32 at 22 in action is a sight to behold. That grapple moves like a dancer, effortlessly lifting logs and placing them with precision. It's like watching a well-choreographed routine unfold in the log yard. Anyone else excited to see how this machine performs in different conditions? Its efficiency is bound to spark some interesting discussions among operators and forestry enthusiasts alike. The JBM 80-ton splitter is something else. I can't believe how easily it cuts through those massive 60 centimeters logs. An adjustable wedge is super cool. 24 ways to customize. That's awesome for different types of wood. And the hydraulic side loader? Genius. If I ever start splitting firewood seriously, this will be the first tool I buy. It's like having a superhero in the yard ready to take on any log that comes its way. Regis is chopping down a tree and will rebuild the shed with the wood he cuts, huh? Wow, I never thought forest work could be this smooth. Seeing the same 80 tractor pull an entire acacia tree with the help of the steel NS 462, and that powerful winch makes me feel like these machines are superheroes in the woods. It's incredible how easily they handle the rough terrain and huge logs. Honestly, after watching this, I can't wait to learn more about these amazing tools. It's like they turn the forest into their playground. Imagine a bustling wood chip loading facility where the razor-tail truck unloader is the star of the show. It's like a magician, turning heavy truckloads into a smooth flow of material in seconds. The jump conveyors and telestacker conveyor are the perfect supporting cast, ensuring everything works like clockwork. The telestacker's ability to adapt its reach and angle for different vessels is like having a chameleon in the loading yard. This system not only exemplifies cutting-edge technology, but also highlights the beauty of collaboration in engineering. On a crisp autumn day, the Split Force 13/20T emerges as a powerhouse in wood processing. Its impressive 26.5-ton splitting force allows for swift and efficient log splitting, making it a top choice for both seasoned professionals and hobbyists. With its smooth hydraulics and rapid cycle time, this machine transforms the laborious task of splitting wood into an enjoyable experience. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about elevating the entire process, turning firewood into an art form.
just under 20 minutes for a face cord, so about a full cord per hour.
No joke. Trees have a way of surprising you when you least expect it. The Nisula 425C, when combined with the Valtra N 134 Active, truly showcases the brilliance of modern forestry equipment. Utilizing the tractor's own hydraulic system for the harvester head is a smart choice, optimizing efficiency and performance in the field. This setup allows for seamless transitions between felling and processing, making it a powerhouse for timber harvesting. The engineering behind this combination not only enhances productivity, but also minimizes downtime. It's exciting to see such advancements in the industry. As a forestry expert, seeing the CAT 320G excavator tackle stump removal feels like watching a craftsman shape raw nature. This machine handles stubborn roots with such finesse, it's as if it's sculpting the earth itself. In this critical moment, every decision counts. The hanging tree is not just an eyesore, it's a ticking time bomb in the landscape. Observe how he uses his knowledge of the terrain to gauge the surrounding environment, ensuring there are no obstacles in the fall zone. The way he grips the chainsaw, steady and deliberate, reveals the trust he has in his equipment. The Petzolato TLF 450 is a robust and efficient firewood processing machine designed for handling logs with diameters up to 450 mm. This model is built to tackle tough tasks, featuring a 1,100 mm disc equipped with hard metal-tipped teeth for precise and powerful cutting. With a splitting force of 27 tons, it can easily split even the most challenging logs. The 30 kilowatts electric motor ensures smooth and energy-efficient operation, making it an excellent choice for high-volume firewood production. What a sight! That motorized portable firewood splitter is revolutionizing the way we split logs. The speed at which it processes those hefty pieces of wood is astonishing. Gone are the days of endless chopping. Now it's all about efficiency and power. If you're serious about your firewood preparation, this is definitely the tool to have. It's like having a professional lumberjack at your side. Premier Attachments root auger is truly a game changer, folks. If you've ever struggled with the time-consuming, labor-intensive process of traditional stump removal, this tool will change your life. Say goodbye to the back-breaking labor of traditional delimbing methods. The Advalinho Patas is a game changer, redefining how we approach timber stand management. With its ability to delimb trees up to 15 meters high, this innovative machine eliminates the need for multiple workers and expensive harvesters. Its precision and efficiency significantly enhance the value of your forest, making it an essential tool for modern forestry. Sometimes life just hands out luck like it's trying to make up for the lack of coordination. Perfect teamwork in action. Watching the lumberjack, chainsaw, and pickup truck make quick work of that tree was impressive. They worked in sync, and that tree didn't stand a chance. Impressed by these beasts? Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss out on more amazing tech. Thanks for tuning in to Titan Tech.